Hello friends, I'm back with another video. In this video, we will be talking about free time activities. I hope you enjoy it. Stay with me. Free time activities. Hobby. An activity done regularly for enjoyment during free time, not for work. Her hobby is painting landscapes on the weekends. Refers to an activity done for fun and relaxation. Movie. A film or motion picture shown in theaters or on screens for entertainment. We watched an action movie last night. Refers to a filmed story people watch for entertainment. Music. The art or sound of arranging notes in a rhythmic pattern, creating melody, harmony, and expression. I enjoy listening to classical music while studying. Refers to sounds or compositions for enjoyment. Guitar. A stringed musical instrument played by strumming or plucking. He plays the guitar in a local band. Refers to a popular musical instrument. Piano. A large keyboard musical instrument with black and white keys, played by pressing them. She is learning to play the piano. Refers to a popular instrument used in classical and modern music. Violin. A string instrument played with a bow, producing high-pitched tones, often used in orchestras. The violin produces a beautiful sound. Refers to a string instrument played with a bow. Swimming. The activity of moving through water by using your arms and legs. Swimming is a great way to stay fit. Refers to the physical activity of moving in water. Soccer. A team sport where players try to score goals by kicking a ball into the opponent's net. Soccer is the most popular sport worldwide. Refers to a popular global team sport also called football. Volleyball. A team sport where players hit a ball over a net using their hands, aiming to land it in the opponent's court. We played volleyball at the beach. Refers to a ball game played by two teams. Hiking. The activity of walking long distances in nature, typically on trails or in the mountains. Hiking in the mountains is relaxing. Refers to walking for pleasure in natural settings. Tennis. A sport where 2 or 4 players use rackets to hit a ball over a net on a rectangular court. She loves playing tennis on the weekends. Refers to a competitive racket sport. Bicycle. A vehicle with 2 wheels powered by pedaling. He rides his bicycle to work every day. Refers to a two-wheeled transportation device. Sport. An activity involving physical exertion and skill in which individuals or teams compete. Basketball is his favorite sport. Refers to any physical game played for competition or recreation. Game. A structured activity, often for enjoyment or education, with rules and objectives. We played a board game after dinner. Refers to an activity played for fun or competition. Video game. An electronic game played on a computer or console, usually involving interaction with a user interface. He spends his free time playing video games. Refers to electronic games played on consoles or computers. Newspaper. A printed publication containing news articles, stories, and advertisements, usually issued daily or weekly. She reads the newspaper every morning. Refers to a printed or digital publication with news. Magazine. A periodical publication with articles and images, often about specific topics like fashion, sports, or news. I bought a fashion magazine from the store. Refers to a periodical publication with themed content. Please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you'll be notified as soon as I upload a new video. By subscribing, you won't miss any of our educational content. Support me by liking the videos, sharing them with your friends, and sharing your thoughts and questions in the comments. Let's learn together.